All right. So Emma and I are making a cake today, and you kind of missed the first half, but it's Aunt Betty's chocolate cake. And the reason we do Aunt Betty's chocolate cake is why?
Because we like to cook it.
And it doesn't use
Eggs.
And because it doesn't, I let you do what?
Lick the spoon. And now we already got
the flour.
Our flour.
Okay, the next is 1 cup of sugar.
How I like sometimes to mix.
Okay, Emma.
Put this on the counter and spin this.
1 cup of sugar. Get you 1 cup of sugar now. Remember the measuring cup? Go get it. 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead. Where's the 1 cup? What does it say?
1 cup.
Yeah, so it has to be even Steven, remember. When you cook, everything has to be exactly like they tell you. Oh, fill it right up to the top, even Steven. Sugar's a little hard because of the humidity over here in Massachusetts. A little more. Right up to the even Steven top. All right, it's not... Go ahead, I want you to do the whole thing. You'll get more, so... Go ahead, scoop right. Yeah, deep, dig deep. Like you're playing in the sand in the beach. There you go. Now, even Steven? Perfect. That's perfect. Right in. Okay, so now she's got her sugar and her flour. No licking the sugar. Let's see.
Those are my hands.
All right. And we should see where this is in a pie. So every time we were going to lift it because I can't really see it. All right, next in the bowl is a 1/2 cup of cocoa.
Ooh, the cocoa's my favorite part.
We love our cocoa in this house. We're real chocolate. Whoa. Olive oil. Olive oil beat the dust. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of cocoa. This is very hard because it's kind of messy, so you have to be very gentle with it. So hold this over and go like that. Okay. The cocoa is in.
And here's what it looks like.
Yeah. And then she's going to start mixing.
Yep, and then we'll show you. I really want to show you. It looks really cool.
Yeah, every time you're going to lift up and show so they can see it. Where's my... Now this recipe also calls for, it's a very unusual recipe, so 1 teaspoon of baking soda. What does this say, Emma?
1 cup.
So that's 1 teaspoon. So now you got to get an even Steven teaspoon of this.
See, look.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, okay, now a teaspoon of this. Here. Even Steven. So you got to flatten it with your finger. Make sure it's even. Hey, good. Throw it in. Mix it up. Now it also calls for a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So remember what I told you what this is? What does a 1/2 mean?
Half.
So it's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And here's the salt, and I'm going to let you do it. Show what it looks like now. There. All right. And so now you're going to go in here and you're going to, just same thing, even Steven. I'm going to let you do it though.
All the way.
Yeah, that's perfect. You got it right the first time. And she's going to mix that in. Everything has to be mixed in well. Here comes the crazy part.
We put water on it.
Yes. Well, first we're going to put, it calls for 1/3 cup of oil. So, this one says 1/3. That means 1/3 cup. So because it's oil and messy, I'm going to pour it in for her. But she is going to put it in. Go ahead. You get it. And grandmother made a mess because there's some over here, but that's okay. Keep mixing. And now it calls for 1 cup of water. Now I will fill that up. And she will put it in because she's doing the whole thing herself. Don't spill any, so hold it very, very carefully. Lift it up straight. Yep, perfect. All of it goes in. And then you mix it up. And the very unusual thing is the 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, which I'm going to get. So tell them how it's going so far.
Yeah. Yep.
Is it good? Keep mixing.
Okay.
Looking good. Now, here, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Emma's going to put that in. Can you talk to the people so far? What you doing?
So, this chocolate is...
You gotta keep mixing it till it comes off. Go ahead, keep mixing, 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 Miss Emma May.
Look at that yummy chocolate.
Good. Mix, mix. And then one other thing we need is a teaspoon of vanilla. So here, Emma, hold up. That's 1 teaspoon.
It smells good.
We love vanilla. It does smell wonderful.
It tastes awful.
Yeah, it's not sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Mix it up. Mix it up, baby.
Look at it so far. Isn't it yummy, 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 tummy, tummy? Don't you want to... Oh, sorry. Sorry.
As she was showing to you, it was actually falling out onto the counter, but she can lick that because there's no eggs. Now you got to really whip it up.
No, you whip it up.
What? It's supposed to be your cake. Let's see.
Oh.
I'll give her a hand here because she's busy looking up chocolate. All right. Let's see. Okay. Now, we're going to take the pan, and normally this cake, I make a big one, but we did this half because not enough people here to eat a big giant cake. So you grease the bottom of your pan, and then Emma is going to, oh, we got a mess going here. Okay.
We need our green thing.
What's it called?
Pattern?
Sp-
Spanners?
spatula?
Spatula.
Okay, so tell them that we need the spatula.
We need our spatula. Can I lick this?
Not yet, because you want germs in the cake. Okay, here's the spatula. And it seems like the cake's well mixed. So let's go around the sides and make sure. Yep. All right, so you can just start pouring it in. So let's see if everybody can see what we're doing.
Yeah, because we really want you to see.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
your turn.
this I'll do. But of course, because it has no
Now can I
eggs,
lick it?
we have to leave a little for Miss Emma because she wants to lick the bowl.
I want to lick this.
So if you want to tell the people that when you're actually eating a piece of cake, you'll show them. We're now going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes. See you later, alligator.
Bye.
Say, I'll come back when I'm eating it.
I'll come back when I'm eating it.